Have you ever believed something about health or wellness for years, only to find out it wasn't true at all? Yep, we've all been there. Wellness is full of good intentions, but also a lot of misinformation. So today, we're going to bust 5 popular wellness myths that just won't seem to die. Some of these might shock you. You might even believe a few of them right now. But don't worry, this is a no judgment zone. My job is to help you make informed choices and maybe laugh a little along the way. Ready? Let's dive in. Myth number 1. Detox diets flush out toxins from your body. Ah yes, the legendary detox. Whether it's a juice cleanse, a fancy tea, or some overpriced powder, the idea is that these products help rid your body of toxins. But here's the thing. Your body already has an amazing detox system. It's called your liver and kidneys. Those organs work around the clock to process and eliminate toxins. You don't need to starve yourself or drink beetroot, kale, pineapple smoothies for 5 days. In fact, some detox diets can do more harm than good. They can mess with your blood sugar, leave you feeling exhausted, and even slow your metabolism over time. So what's the better approach? Support your liver and kidneys by eating real food, staying hydrated, sleeping well, and avoiding excessive alcohol or processed junk. Thank you for that clarification. That's it. No magic juice required. Myth number 2. If it's natural, it must be safe. This one's a biggie. There's this idea floating around that natural equals safe, but that's not always true. Think about it. Arsenic is natural, so are poison ivy and rattlesnakes. Now, I'm not saying that natural remedies are bad. There are some great ones out there, but the word natural is not regulated in most countries. It doesn't mean something has been tested for safety or effectiveness, and when it comes to supplements, many natural supplements can interact with medications, cause side effects, or be totally ineffective. Moral of the story, before trying that trendy herb you saw on TikTok, do your research or talk to a healthcare professional, not just your favorite influencer. Myth number 3. You need 8 glasses of water a day. Here's one we've all heard. You must drink 8 glasses of water a day. But who decided 8 was the magic number? Spoiler, it's not backed by hard science. The truth? Your hydration needs depend on your body size, activity level, diet, and even the weather. If you eat a lot of water-rich foods like fruits and veggies, you may not need as much extra water. Instead of counting glasses, just listen to your body. Thirst is actually a pretty good indicator. And check your pee. If it's pale yellow, you're probably good to go. Also, coffee and tea, they do count toward your fluid intake, so sip happily, my caffeinated friends. Myth number 4. You can out-exercise a bad diet. Okay, real talk, we've all thought, it's fine, I'll just burn it off at the gym later. But let me hit you with some truth. You cannot out-train a consistently poor diet. Exercise is awesome. It boosts your mood, strengthens your heart, helps with sleep, and so much more. But it's not a free pass to eat whatever you want all the time. Why? Because nutrition and exercise serve different roles. Food fuels your body and builds the foundation. Exercise helps optimize it. Also, the calories burned during a workout are often way less than people think. One cheeseburger might take 90 minutes of cardio to burn off, and nobody wants to live like that. The best wellness strategy? Move your body and nourish it. Don't rely on one to fix the other. Myth number 5. Healthy equals skinny. And finally, maybe the biggest, most damaging myth of all, if someone's thin, they must be healthy. Ugh, this one is still everywhere, especially on social media. The truth is, health comes in many shapes and sizes. You can be thin and unhealthy. You can be in a larger body and metabolically fit. Weight is just one indicator of health. and not even the most reliable one. Instead of obsessing over the scale, let's focus on actual health behaviors. How's your energy? How's your sleep? Are you eating nutritious food? Are you managing stress? That's the stuff that really matters. All right, fam. Those were 5 wellness myths that need to go. If you've believed some of these before, you are not alone. We've all been influenced by catchy headlines and bad advice. But now you know better, and knowledge is power. If you found this helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who still thinks celery juice will save their soul. And hey, let me know in the comments, which myth surprised you the most? Or are there any other wellness trends you want me to unpack in a future video? Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.